Today, we are learning about a computer programming element called a loop and how it allows self-driving cars to react quickly. When a human drives, they use their eyes to continuously take in information and react based on what is seen. If our eyes see the road turn to the left, we steer to the left. The same for the right. It's quite simple. To do this with a self-driving car, we can replace our eyes with a camera. The car will have a computer that processes the data from the camera, and we will use a loop to continuously read new images from the camera and run the necessary algorithms on the image in real time. As long as the car is in motion, the car's software will adjust steering based on what is captured by the camera. Just like I don't need a new brain every single time I make a turn, I don't need to change the code that determines how much the self-driving car needs to turn. The loop repeats the code over and over and over again, like main in your Arduino sketch. The beauty of using a camera, computer, and code with a loop to steer a car is that it can't get distracted like a human, get sleepy, or have a slow reaction time. As long as the loop runs on the data from the camera, decisions can be made in real time. In this project, we will teach you the power of loops by showing you how to install a button that disables your backup sensor when pressed. As you learn more about how to code, the ways you can modify your prototype are countless.